After 4 years, the world's biggest book sale will be back here in Cebu City. Aiming to empower the community by giving access to affordable books, the 𝗵𝗴 Book Sale will be bringing over 2 million brand new books from United Kingdom and United States while offering huge discounts up to 95%. Co-owner of 𝗵𝗴 Books, Andrew Yap, assured that this year will be a much bigger and better book sale here in Cebu.
We are bringing it's close to 1 million books, which is almost double of what we brought the last event, and I mentioned that this will even be better than Manila a couple of months ago in terms of titles and new books.
The book sale offers a wide variety of genres including science fiction, thriller, literature, young adult, business, cookbooks, children's books, and many more written by local and international writers. Currently, they are looking for Cebuano authors to collaborate with and to be part of the event.
Actually, kung meron kayong kakilala, please connect them to us. We would love to invite them.
So pwede pa?
Yes po. Please reach out because sometimes kasi wala po kaming kilala and we were not introduced. So the ones that we know or who have reached out, sila lang po yung nakaka-join. But don't be shy. Lahat ng mga, authors dyan or who wants to make their books available sa 𝗵𝗴, we are waiting for you to call us.
As part of the company's CSR initiative, they have chosen 𝗀𝗏𝗃 and the sister school of Mary Boys Town in Minglanilla to be the beneficiary of the Red Readerhood program that aims to help underprivileged kids through book donation. This year, 𝗵𝗴 pledges 1,000 books towards the 𝗀𝗏𝗃 Traveling Maleta Library program that lends less fortunate communities a suitcase full of books for 1 month.
We are actually part of the Red Readerhood program. The Red Readerhood program is that when you exit the sale, there will be books for sale at an even cheaper price. We're talking about maybe 10 pesos, 20 pesos. You buy it, but it's donated to the Red Readerhood program. Then what 𝗵𝗴 does, they usually match the number of books, and then this year is to support the Traveling Maleta Library. So it's really just books.
The 𝗵𝗴 is inviting all Cebuanos to join them and make book shopping a family affair starting this September 15 to October 1 from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. at SM Seaside City, Cebu.
And as low as sabi nga namin 20 pesos. So this is the best time for you to come dahil Burr months na, malapit na ang Pasko. So it's also a very nice gift to your family and friends. So that's why please come on September 15 to October 1 here at SM Seaside, and let's celebrate unbelievable deals and change the world one book at a time.
This has been Queenie Joligon of MyTV Cebu.